5 quick tips for completing our online forms. 1. Get your information ready. Have information at hand that you might need to fill in the form. If you have a document to upload, make sure you know where it's saved on your device. 2. Include detailed answers. Please provide as much detail as possible to be able to help us help you. 3. Double check your answers. It's always good to check your answers and make sure the required fields have been filled in before submitting the form. 4. Check your submission. Once your form has been submitted, you will receive a thank you message and the option to download your answers. If a required field has not been completed, an error message will be shown. 5. Download your answers. When the form has been submitted, it will provide you with the ability to download your answers. This could be beneficial if you wish to view your answers.